Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. Next, we're going to go into Slipsheet. So this one's another popular one. If I go into my sets, you can see that I have built a set of individual documents. These are all individual pages, pulling from a folder so that we're looking at a set. And when I click on these, it'll open up an individual sheet and allow me to not have the document that's 40 pages open, but only one at a time. So it opens it up so other people can work on this as well. In this one, you can see this is all my current set. And with Slipsheet, we can actually start stacking in our revisions. So I'm going to come in here to Batch Slipsheet. My open set is my current drawings. And my revised file, I'm going to come out and point to the folder. Slipsheet revision 2, select. It's going to bring in all of the sheets that were affected by that revision, and I'm going to click on match pages again. On this one, you can see that they weren't named similar enough, so they didn't match up manually or automatically. So all I need to do is manually match those. So I'm going to come down here and select A201 on each side and match. I just go through and do these one by one real quick. And then what's cool about this Slipsheet tool is I can insert the revised pages before the current page. If I wanted to simply replace it, I would change that pull down to replace. I like to do the insert because then I can copy markups from the current pages to the revised pages, unflatten those if necessary. And I can also stamp the current one superseded. So it's going to stamp the old one, put the new one on top, and carry all the markups forward all in one slip sheet. So I'm going to click OK here. And you're going to see those slide in. And the new one is always, I'm going to click OK here. The new one's always going to be on top. I can create a report on this also. Click OK there. But you can see here on this structural S.1 sheet, you have the current sheet and you have the superseded sheet. So you can always go back and look at previous versions, but your most current one is always going to be on top. So that is our slip sheet. And then as far as user functionality goes, all your users would open up this set file and have access to this set instead of opening up the individual drawings. That way everybody's looking at the most current set at the same time. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.